So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company is called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company is called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news, guys. I literally just got a notification from Uber right now. Look at this. I was just doing something and I decided, you know what, I need to film this. Look, no shutdown tonight. Rideshare will continue in California for now. I must be literally the first person to report on this, but Uber has a breaking news video. I'm sorry, guys. Ride sharing update. Uber remains live in California, but Prop 22 still needs your vote. Did they give me $5 in credit too? This is in the Uber passenger app, so if you're an Uber driver, you probably didn't get this, but, oh look, Yvonne Chubbuck Studio. I used to take an Uber there all the time. That was my old acting class. Catch me there. Rewards Hub, is that the Rideshare Hub? I thought that was the Rideshare Hub. Read more and act. Here we go, guys. Ride sharing is at risk in California. Good news. Ride sharing will not be shut down in California today, but we need your help. To keep ride sharing in California permanently while also giving drivers new benefits, vote yes on Prop 22 in November. Are you gonna vote yes or no? I don't know. I kind of want to vote no. Just, I don't know. Maybe I'll vote. Honestly, low-key, I might vote yes. 72% of California drivers support Prop 22. Whoa, that's crazy. That's because it protects their ability to work when, where, and how they want, while granting them new protections like a minimum earnings guarantee, health benefits, medical and disability coverage, anti-discrimination protections, and more. Learn more about how Yes on Prop 22 will save app-based jobs and services in California. Paid for by Uber Technologies, Inc. Take action, okay? I think I kind of want to vote yes, guys. I don't know. Low-key, I don't like this whole, like, oh, we're going to shut down and... let's take a look, though. Let's take a look. I do want to read the facts first. Get the facts on the proposition. Sacramento politicians' law could shut down app-based services in California. Learn more about Prop 22 to save app-based jobs and services. Prop 22, save app-based jobs, saves app-based services. Join the Yes on Proposition 22 coalition to stay updated. All right, I'm gonna join the Yes on Prop 22 coalition. I mean, hey, look. I get it, but at the same time, I don't want Uber to shut down, you know? Guys, don't not text me. Please don't. You guys are gonna text me, aren't you? Okay, join now. All right, let's see if I get the facts. Thank you. Oh gosh. Oh, reply yes. Yes. 2 messages a month. That's not bad at all. Every 2 weeks. Oh, those are all my texts. I'm signing up as a driver. Oh, I already did. What if I do all these? I literally do all 5 of those. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's crazy. So I can't believe Uber is now not shutting down anymore. So Uber's here to stay, guys. So if you're an Uber driver, please, if you signed up with no referral code, go into the description. Bro, I cannot talk. If you signed up for Uber to be an Uber driver with no referral code, please, I beg you, go into the description down below. You could qualify for a bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. I know there's been a lot of people who haven't signed up with a referral code, and those are just dollars waiting for you. So go into the description down below, take 7 steps. You can do it within 30 seconds. You can get a huge bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. So just do it. It takes 30 seconds. There's nothing, you know, it could only be $100, could only be 500 bucks, but it could be 1,000. So it's better than nothing. And honestly, maybe you can say, hey, you know what, I'll use it to pay my rent this month, and then, you know, Uber's just holding on to that money. Might as well take it from them. So go down to the description down below and use those steps. All right, guys, thank you all for watching, and have a great and amazing day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Later, guys. Peace.